What is up, y'all? Yeah, it's your girl here, Miracle, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I turn my little short TWA or shorten out your hair. This is for my 3C, 4A, 4B girls. I'm just showing you all how I put my short afro into a puff. This is a 1 day old flat twist out, but I'm just showing you all the products that I'm going to use. I'm just using gel, water, an edge brush, a wide tooth comb, and Gorilla Snot for my edges. And I am also using a denim brush to brush my hair up because I could not find a soft or hard brush. I have to get another one, but I'm not going to talk all the way through this video. I'm going to get the video rolling. And I also use a stocking, like a pantyhose, to use it to tie. But we're gonna get into this video. Bye.
like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
Right here, I'm just finishing up showing you all how I lay down my baby hairs. Now look, don't come at me in the comments. I'm not the best when it comes to doing baby hairs, but hey, I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna get better. But when I'm done, I tie my edges down with a scarf, and I did the rest of my makeup and everything off camera, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how everything look once it's finished. And to get that little puff a little higher, you just keep picking and picking, because I kind of like my puffs to stand up tall, especially when my hair gets back longer. I really like big puffs. But I thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. I will, if you guys want to get another video on why I comb my locks out, just let me know. But I don't really see much reason to talk about it. But peace, y'all. Goodbye.